myself a yum burger, so it can only mean one thing. We're back in the Philippines!
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can't get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you.
Hello and welcome to Travel Beans. Today is the start of our 2-week adventure with our friend from home, Adam.
So we want to tell you what we are going to be doing this year, because 2017 was a crazy and amazing year. 2016, for those that haven't seen much of us before, was not so good, and basically it led to someone suffering with very severe depression.
So it was a year full of lows, and 2017 was the year also full of lows, but also full of a lot of highs.
So we wanted this year to really focus on the thing that is the most important to us, and that is happiness.
Happiness. So 2018 is going to be our year of happiness. We are going to search high and low for happiness.
How are we going to achieve that, you ask? Well, what we're going to do is we are going to do everything that makes people happy. So the things that make us happy, and we want you to tell us, put them down in the comments, what makes you happy, and we're going to try and do everything we possibly can. But for the first time, we want to show you what makes us happy, and for people who've been watching for a while, they know that is travel and sharing our travels and making videos.
Filming. Yeah, exactly. And so our first stop is a little town called Moalboal in Cebu, which is in the Philippines, and we have brought our friend Adam here to go canyoning. Last time we came to the Philippines was about a month or so ago, and we absolutely fell in love with the place. And also, in addition to that, something that made us very, very eager to come back was the YouTube response that we were getting.
And this is the first time that we have ever made any kind of significant amount of money from YouTube.
Yep.
So we've decided to invest it all, and we've just got ourselves a brand new GoPro, which we are going to go and film today to show you it in all its glory.
Yeah, we are hoping to give you guys the full experience now that we have the GoPro and do it justice, which we didn't get to do last time. So we are now here with our friend Adam.
Hello.
Adam, everyone. And we wanted to ask you what your opinion of the Philippines are so far.
So far, it is awesome. It's really raw, quite a raw country.
Yeah.
So I don't feel like a tourist.
No, it's not like Thailand where everything's kind of set out perfectly planned for you. It's a bit more difficult.
Yeah, you never know what you're going to expect, which is really cool.
Definitely. And are you excited for the canyoneering?
Oh, that I am so excited for. I'm so excited. I mean, don't let my tiredness throw you off. But this is the one thing on the trip that I've been looking forward to since we've started planning the trip. I do loads in the UK of like cliff jumping and coast steering and gorge scrambling.
Bit chilly.
Bit chilly, yeah. 6mm winter wetsuit is often needed.
Yeah.
But here you're gonna have blue waters, a lot of sun.
It's going to be much difference.
Oh, I can't wait.
This is the first time we are using our new GoPro, so we're very excited about it, and it has got a sound on there which is supposed to be quite good, but we're not sure how good because we've not tested out. This is our first run of it. Apologies for my sweaty face. I'm getting really excited and also quite nervous.
So we're not sure how the sound is going to be once we get into the water. We haven't been able to test this out, so we apologise if it's not very good. But fingers crossed it's going to be okay, because last time our biggest regret about this was that we couldn't bring you guys along and show you how amazing it was and be able to tell you about it. So we just had to show it in a very short video. This time I think we're going to try and really do it justice and use this bad boy to the full effect. So the walk here is absolutely stunning. I just tripped over there. The walk here is absolutely stunning. You got the sea on this side, you got all the mountains, you got the green. It's so beautiful. We've got some Filipino people shouting behind us, and we've had something for the first time ever today, which was amazing. And someone had recognized us. Someone came up to us, a Filipino person, saying they've seen us and thanked us for our vlogs. So if you're watching, I think it was Gladden. It was awesome to meet you, and that was one of the most surreal experiences of my life.
I see how the tables turn. I swear I will never learn.
get in the water. I'm so excited.
This is unbelievable. I am so happy. Are you happy to it?
Swear all you want.
This is fucking awesome.
What's your first impressions of the Philippines, Greedy? Unbelievable. My clip's just broken though. That's a bit more important at this point, Alex.
One of the negative sides of canyoneering is the wedgie effect. So Al's got a bit of a problem.
Every time I jump up, I reveal my my white meat, and everyone knows the dark meat's where it's at. So any of you lucky ladies want to form an orderly queue for this turkey drumstick? So, another thing that takes away from a little bit of paradise is that the nipples are chafing. Woo. And that is a real issue right now. I've got some sore little nippies.
So if you imagine the world's best water park and the most incredible nature you've ever seen, and you squish them together, you get canyoning in Moalboal. So even if you think you're too scared to do the big jumps from the canyon tops into the water, they do have alternate routes, so you don't have to go off the big jumps. And I really recommend that you come here regardless, because the nature is fantastic. We just continue time and time again in the Philippines to be blown away by the nature and the beauty. I honestly cannot think of a more perfect place that I've been to than here. And it sounds so cheesy, but it's so true. Like, you have the beaches, you have the people, you have stuff like this. This is like something out of a movie. It doesn't feel like real life.
Stolen our hearts, guys.
Guys, we've had a nightmare. We made it to Moalboal. We did the canyoning, which was fantastic. We also met some local people. One of the locals we met was called Rum. And it was terrible. We became the best of friends last night, but now we're enemies because we have to get a 3 or 4 hour bus back to Cebu City to get the ferry to, I'm probably pronouncing this wrong, but Siargao? Yes. So we're struggling massively today.
For the record, I feel fine because I was sensible and went to bed at a reasonable time because I knew we had a busy day travelling. So really, pro-traveller.
Yeah, he's actually, he did a very good thing and left after the first bar and didn't go on to the second bar. and we stayed and got way too drunk. We feel dreadful today. But this morning, one of the best hangover cures we always find is snorkeling. So we went snorkeling and it was phenomenal. We saw sardines, like masses and masses of sardines. They were insane. I've never seen anything quite like it. I reckon if you were actually able to stay under the water for long enough, you wouldn't be able to see whoever's under there because it's just this wall of fish. And the guys, I actually felt too sick, so I had to get out, but the guys went and saw 3 turtles.
Woo! 3 turtles!
Was that the first time you've seen turtles?
First time I've ever seen turtles before.
Aww.
I'll never forget it. I got so close, maybe we're in a metre. I've never touched them, obviously, but that was fantastic.
Aww. Yeah, so I missed out on the turtles, but anyway, we have to go catch this bus. See you guys next time.